Did you know that you can create short clips from a long video using Filmora? Well, yeah, that's actually quite a popular video format, and usually we have a lot of AIs to generate that kind of video. So you can provide a long form video like podcast or interview, and then you can use AI such as Opus Clip to convert that into 9:16 or vertical video, which is usually going to be a lot easier to get views on social medias like YouTube Shorts, and then Instagram Reels, and also TikTok. But this is a paid feature. This is a different service. Now, if you are using Filmora, you can actually just use this video editor to achieve the same thing. It is not explicitly mentioned in Filmora documentation or tutorials, but if we combine multiple features from Filmora, we can basically achieve the same thing. So let me show you how I'm going to convert this clip. This is actually a video from Joe Rogan interview. Actually, this is just the shorter version of the interview. It is only 4 minutes long, and I'm going to create, let's say, a roughly 1 minute version of this interview. And of course, I'm going to convert this into 9:16 aspect ratio, because right now this is a rectangular or landscape video, which is good for desktop but not so much for mobile experience. So first, of course, you have to insert the video into your Filmora video editor, and then we want to use a feature called auto reframe. So that's a feature in Filmora that lets you convert a video aspect ratio from one aspect ratio to another. So you have to right click on the clip, and then you have to click auto reframe. So this is the feature. And then okay, this is the preview, it doesn't really matter. Now for the aspect ratio target, you want to select 9:16, which is vertical, and then the motion speed, I do recommend to keep it auto. You can also go with slow or fast if you want to, but auto is the best approach here. Now after that, after you're done, you can click the analyze button and just wait for AI within Filmora to do all the algorithm to see if there's any interesting subject in the video, and we'll reframe that based on a new aspect ratio. And yes, this is basically AI, although it is not generative AI in the same sense as ChatGPT or in the other AI tools, but this is basically AI within Filmora. Now this process could take quite a while depending on the duration, so I'm going to skip forward until it is done. Alright, now it is done. It only took less than 1 minute to finish the generation, and this is basically the result. So this is the area that will eventually be cropped and will export it into a new video. Now let me give you a few examples. So this is basically detecting, oh, there is a face on the video, and therefore it's going to focus the attention on this section. If I move it to another section, you will see that it is kind of moving slightly depending on the focus of the video, but it will maintain or will make sure that the face stays in the middle. Now, there are some cases where it's kind of confused because there could be multiple faces, and that's very common. But generally speaking, if the video itself is not too complex, or if there's not many people inside the video, then usually it's going to be very consistent. And yeah, that's basically the kind of result that you could expect using this auto reframe feature. Now when you're done with this, you can click the export button, or you can also click add timeline if you want to edit immediately, but I do recommend to just export, because we are going to do another thing later to take the most interesting parts of the video. So let's click export, and okay, let's just click export again. Oh yeah, you can select the location of the export, and now just wait until it finishes. Alright, so it has been exported. Now I'm going to close this, and I'm going to drag and drop the new 9:16 video into this editor. So this is the result. As you can see, we have two videos, actually the same video, except one is a different format. So this is 16:9 original, and then this is 9:16. And now we want to capture the most interesting elements or the most interesting parts from this video that could go viral. Alright, now you have to right click on the new 9:16 video, and then you want to go to the Smart Scenes Cut. This is the new feature. Again, it is also using AI, and this time it is actually going to be using some services, some server from Filmora server. So basically the video is going to be uploaded to Filmora server to be processed, and yes, it does consume some credit, although it's only 5, and Filmora credit is actually quite generous and quite affordable. So 5 is basically almost nothing here. And now you can just click start and wait until the process is finished. It's going to upload video, it's going to recognize some elements of the video, etc. And after that, you will see the result where there could be multiple clips that could be blended together into one video. So again, I'll be back when it is done. Alright, it took quite a while, but it is finally done. So this is the result. This is the highlighted scene based on the video that I have provided. Now I'm going to just click the add all button, and that will add all the clips that was detected to be interesting from the video, and then we can just edit in main timeline, which means it's going to put all these clips into the timeline. So let me click this button, and I guess I'm going to follow the new media resolution and dimension, and there you go. So this is the result, and I'm going to play the video for a little bit, and you can see this video is definitely in a new format, and also they cut part of video to just show the most interesting elements of the video. So it used to be 4 minutes, now it's only 1 minute or so. All right, let me play the video a bit, and let me you can judge whether or not this is actually a good video.
Bit on X, because it's quite stunning. So apparently through the use of LiDAR, they have discovered that there are enormous structures underneath the Great Pyramid that go kilometers deep into the earth with coils, and all of this is like,
yeah, basically it's removing a lot of cuts, a lot of unnecessary silence in the video, and overall the transition between one clip to another is quite smooth. And of course, after this you can export a video and then upload this new format into your social media account. So there you have it, all the things that you need to do to create or basically to convert a long form video into short one using Filmora. I hope you found this video useful, and feel free to subscribe to this channel to see more AI tutorials in the future. In any case, thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.